In today's video, I am going to teach you how to assign variable to role in Pandadoc. To begin, go to the Templates tab in Pandadoc and locate the template you want to edit. Click to open that template, so you are working inside the editor. This is important because roles and variables are tied to the template itself, and setting them up here makes your documents faster and more consistent later. Next, add a role to the template. Look to the top right and click plus Add Roles. In the name field, type a clear role name that matches who will receive or complete the document, such as client. Keep role names simple and specific, because these names help you recognize the correct variable set when you are inserting data. After you type the role name, click Add. Once you do this, the role becomes available for role-based variables throughout the template. Now you will assign a variable to that role by using the Variables panel. On the right sidebar, find and click the Variables icon, shown as X. This opens the list of available variables, including ones that are specific to the role you just created. Role-specific variables are useful because they automatically pull the right information for the person assigned to that role when you send or generate a document. In the variables list, find a role-specific variable, such as the one for a first name. You will see it formatted with the role name included, similar to client.firsten. Click the copy icon next to that variable. Copying directly from the panel helps avoid typing errors, and it ensures Pandadoc recognizes the variable correctly. Finally, click into the text block in your template where you want the information to appear. Place your cursor exactly where the variable should go, then paste the copied variable. You can paste it in line within a sentence or on its own line, depending on your layout. After pasting, keep the variable text exactly as it is, because changes to spacing or characters can prevent it from working as intended. Once the variable is in place, you have successfully assigned a role-based variable within your Pandadoc template. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.